Hello guys, we got one new light from Betopper and we are very excited to see it, and let's come to unbox it together. So here it is. It looks pretty cool. It's like the other one light that I have, the LB150, the beams, which I bought recently, and I'm very excited to see this one. I'm going to put here, I have a power bank, a big one, and we can also see how much is the power consumption. So we got the menu here. You can wear this light either by DMX or standalone. Here you can change different features like the pen. Pretty cool, pretty fast also. So let's put the DMX cable. So here we are guys, we got out this nice light, this beautiful fixture. Some of the technical specifications, as we see, it's rated on 240 watts, but the actual LED inside is 150 watt, plus the ring light that it has here, which is 24 by 0.2 watt RGB LED. The beam angle is from 7 degrees until 21 degrees. You can of course control it by DMX console, you can leave it in auto, you can leave it in sound mode, and I would like to say that it comes with these gobos which you can change inside. So I guess you can choose which kind of gobo you would like, and they can send you whichever pattern you like. So you can see the actual watt consumption, it's 180 watts. So the light, it's not so heavy, it's very good, the material, it's built very nice. It's perfect for the DJs who don't have a lot of space in their car. I guess with 2 of these, or maybe 4, you can light up easily one place like a club, or even outside I guess. Let's try to see it. So you can see the pan, it's very quick. The tilt, it's 270 degrees. So number 1 is pan, number 2 is the pan fine, number 3 is the tilt, number 4 tilt fine, and number 5 you can adjust the speed of the pen and the tilt. Number 6 is the dimmer, number 7 is the strobe. So let's turn on a bit the light so you can see the beam angle. So we have a white here, which you can change with 7 different colors with channel number 8. So we got red, green, blue, yellow, amber I guess, purple, amber again, or you can have double colors, so you can change. So we move on, channel number 9, which you have the gobos. So we start with the first gobo, so you can see here, let's zoom a bit, so you can see clearly the gobos, number 1, number 2 here, number 3. You can adjust the speed, how fast or how slow. Very cool, I really like this. So that's it. So here we are in the menu. You can set up here. You can choose by going by DMX, auto, random and sound. So let's see the auto, how does it work. So now let's check the random. So let's check with the sound now. You can work by putting some music, so you can do different movements. Pretty cool, right? So as you can see, this light can work as a beam light. You can see very narrow the angle, very powerful. You can see how bright it is. So from beam light you can make a zoom and you can make it like a spotlight. See this light in action.